Well, there are a lot of arguments, Kisha, that Obi has less experience compared to Suwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the former Vice President Atiku Abubakar.
Is that the kind of experience you want?
I'm not. I said this.
The experience that has made slavery out of Lagos, the experience that has made a man to produce governors for 20 years and is in control of the system of Lagos, the finances of Lagos. There is nothing that happens in Lagos without Tinubu's approval. Is that the kind of experience you are looking for? That is a malevolent experience. That is a diabolical experience. That is a retrogressive experience. That is a cancerous experience. That is a corrosive experience. That is a backward experience. That is a reducing experience. That is a poverty-oriented experience. That is a Stockholm Syndrome experience. It is an experience that must be smashed to the slitrin and dumped in the compost stone. Our country needs egalitarian, progressive, brilliant, intelligent, people with capacity, idealistic, to take us from the nadir of insignificance to the pinnacle of global recognition. That's what we're looking for. We don't need the experience of plutocrats and plutocrats who have put us in a quagmire and subjected us to this level of misery and slavery.
The road to freedom is never easy, regardless of how you take it. There is no shortcut. Obi Freedom Train has started in Nasarawa. I looked at the face. Has started in Nasarawa. I looked at the faces of Nigerians, the ordinary people, who gathered to welcome Obi at another venue after the stadium has been denied to them to use for the rally, for the launching of Obi DATTI campaign. The establishment, the status quo, is fighting to retain the old order. The masses are yelling for change. The question is, are we ready for this change? Are we still ready to receive 500 naira, sell our future, and complain of insecurity, complain of economic woes for another 4 or 8 years? Welcome to Open Whispers channel with Chris Digos. See something, say something, and do something. Remember that when the silent whispers of a people turn to open whispers, the tyrant knows that his time is up. Obi has launched the Freedom March in Nasarawa. But before we go into that, kindly remember to subscribe. Make sure you hit the thumbnail, the I like button, and also hit the bell sign to enable you get notifications whenever we upload. Welcome to my channel. Whenever the uninitiated throw sand at the masquerade, that masquerade should know that his time is up. The Freedom March has started in Nasarawa, and the people welcomed it. I looked at the faces. This is time for real change. Recently, the Central Bank Governor, Godwin Emefiele, announced that soon the old Naira notes will be phased out and the new Naira will be introduced. As if it is the answer to the economic woes of Nigeria. A dollar is changing at 800 Naira. It is time for gambling, trial and error economy. This is why we need Obi on board. This is why we need new faces in Nigeria economic team. Before, When you send money to Nigeria, if you send dollar, if you send pounds, they will pay out in pounds or dollars. This central bank governor changed it and stopped it. We started receiving money in naira. Trial and error. When it backfired, he introduced it again. Then we can receive our foreign remittance in naira with even incentive. Trial and error. We blame speculators for our economic woes. We clamp down on Bureau de Change for our economic woes. Yet it has continued, it has worsened over time. There is no answer. There is no hope. Fuel is being sold at 200 naira. Kidnapping is on the high. Killing, insecurity from every nook and crannies of Nigeria. And the status quo wants to retain power. This is our time to decide, to make up our mind. Do we continue with a dying generation who have plagued Nigeria with these economic woes, with hopelessness? Or do we embrace the color of a rising sun? Do we embrace hope in the person of Obi and DATTI? Do we encourage a disabled economy? Or do all of us gather in 2023 and welcome a new team? The answer is left for you to give us. As we are marching on this freedom march, as Aisha Yusuf said it, this is our time. I am running for president. You are running for president. Stand and defend their votes. I hear cracks. I say cracks. We are tempted to fall to the back order of receiving money in order to vote. We are tempted to be divided along religious line, ethnicity. We have to stand up and reject it and know that this is the tactics of the enemy. This is the tactics of the old order. This is the tactics of the established order. This is the tactics of status quo. Now is the time to stand up. Obi, DATTI is the way forward. I am running for president. You are running for president. All the beggars on the street are running for president. Mama, Papa, we are running for president. This is Criticals. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and share the video. Until we meet again in the arena. See something, say something, do something. Freedom. Here we come. Thank you.